Hello friends, today we journey forth through the stunning beauty of the New Zealand countryside to Carrick Wine's vineyard. We have to stop at this unbelievably stunning lake that I can't believe it's real, if I'm honest. It looks fake, but apparently it's like these little crystal-y things suspended in the water reflecting light, which is the most insane colour. I just had to show it to you guys.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
So I might be looking a bit dishevelled now, but I have arrived at the vineyard that we're staying at tonight, which is Carrick Wines, and it's beautiful here, really, really beautiful. I've always had this weird obsession with wanting to go to a vineyard, not really that sure why, but I just have. So this is it. It's looking beautiful. Grapes. Look at them grapes go. Look at this valley. Wow. Onwards, I say. Today we're off to do one of the things I have been most excited about for the whole trip. We're going to fly over Mount Cook and Franz Joseph and Fox Glacier in a helicopter. I've been in one before over Florida, and honestly I can't really remember what I saw. This, however, is going to be unforgettably amazing. Okay, hopefully this is me about to do the helicopter flight over the glaciers. The weather's fantastic, so fingers crossed nothing stops us and we can get to go up over Fox and Franz Joseph Glacier. I think there's another glacier, and then we get to land in the snow and everything, so all goes to plan. This should be amazing. Here we are at the visitor centre. Look at the mountains, oh my goodness.
So easily open up your eyes and see there's more to our story. Baby, open up to me, don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see there's more to caring too much.
This is 5 million times better than I expected it to be. It is crazy awesome. The mountains below. Wow. I'm slipping on snow. Look at this. This is crazy. Really crazy. I mean, we were flying directly over the mountains. It's honestly one of the best things I've ever done. Can't believe I'm walking through snow right now. Honestly, if you get the chance to do this, wow. I would say it is 100% worth it. Wow. I feel like I'm on top of the world right now. This is so amazing. Like the helicopter was flying right over mountains. You can see the big glaciers. We landed in snow. And I thought it was going to be cold up here. It's really warm actually. Wow! Well, the mountains below us were enormous. The cars look like teeny tiny little skittles. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing that spectacular scenery with me. That was just, I mean, I can't rate that highly enough, I really can't. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little bell icon, and I shall see you very soon with another video. Bye guys!